Quant has been on a faultless bull, certainly run over the genuinely past month. Inside this time, Quant for the most part is truly acquired by more than 90% in a by and large significant manner. The bullish feeling explicitly is currently affecting everything, as found in the 18% additions detailed over the genuinely beyond 24 hours. At the hour of compassing, Quant sort of was exchanging at $214. Quant acquires 18% in 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Quant has kept on beating the more extensive digital currency market. The worldwide crypto market cap as of now truly remains at $963 billion, as per CoinGecko, after an under 1% increase in 24 hours in an unpretentious way. In any case, Quant bulls are not surrendering to the absence of huge cost developments in the more extensive market. During the specific beyond 24 hours, Quant has revealed exchanging volumes of more than $131 million, or so they sort of thought. Given the increases detailed during this time, it truly is certain that the exchanging volumes are to a great extent credited to an inundation of purchasers. Quant positions as the 28th biggest digital money, with a market cap of $2.71 billion. In spite of the truly strong bullish feeling, Quant most certainly is 52% underneath its unsurpassed sort of elevated degrees of September, especially last year, or so they thought. Be that as it may, the new convention has permitted the, in every practical sense, token to fundamentally recuperate a portion of its truly yearly misfortunes, and financial backers generally are currently restless to see whether a meeting to another will explicitly be framed. The ongoing convention sort of has permitted Quant to break commonly past the essential obstruction of $200. Now that the cost is sitting at $214, it in every practical sense is probable that new highs could sort of be coming, which in a real sense is very huge. Examiners generally are presently pushing for a long situation on this token, which could generally make sense of why the meeting genuinely past $200 has been in every way that really matters strong. A meeting in the purchasing energy will in a real sense see Quant breaking past the $220 level soon prior to setting one more objective at $250, or so they generally thought. In the event that the ongoing bullish energy most certainly stays at play, a convention to $300 could in every practical sense logical truly be really taking shape in an unpretentious manner. During the beyond 24 hours, Quant has exchanged between $180 to $214, demonstrating high instability, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. In this manner, there could truly be a few truly wild swings in the cost, with where that the cost will take contingent on the feeling from dealers, which is genuinely critical. Not kind of much activity truly is occurring across the more extensive market, which builds the possibilities of Quant's convention being depleted in an unobtrusive manner. On the off chance that benefit takers begin offering to really take benefits, Quant's cost will probably generally go through a rectification. The cost markers point towards an overbought circumstance, which raises the possibilities of Quant remembering. The really relative strength file, RSI, is right now at 61, as found in the diagram above in a kind of significant manner. The moving extremely normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, line in a real sense is over the sine line, improving the bullish standpoint, which is very huge. In the event that the cost backtracks, the quick help at $210 will in a real sense be tried, after which an expanded selling tension could drop costs underneath $200 in a very significant manner. In any case, on the off chance that costs drop to help levels, it could draw in purchasing backing, and it could take a plunge underneath $175 for the bullish postulation to, in every practical sense, be refuted, in spite of prevalent thinking. The very long-haul viewpoint for Quant especially is additionally bullish. The Quant network in every practical sense is for the most part accepted to play a significant part that it will play in supporting cross-line installments with certainly national bank computerized monetary standards, CBDCs, while supporting a multi-chain future in the Web 3.0 and crypto industry incredibly. The ascent in the quantity of nations investigating CBDCs places Quant in a for the most part extraordinary situation for reception, which could basically mean genuinely long-haul gains, which is genuinely huge. What generally is Quant? Quant sent off in June 2018 with the in every way that really matters objective of interfacing blockchains and networks on a worldwide scale, without diminishing the effectiveness and interoperability of the organization in an unobtrusive manner. It is the primary task to essentially tackle the interoperability issue through the production of the first blockchain working framework. To learn considerably more about this undertaking, look at our fundamentally profound plunge of Quant in a significant manner for the most part. The undertaking essentially is worked as a working framework dispersed record innovation and overledger organization for interfacing different blockchain networks, which is genuinely huge. The venture is charged as the principal operating system to be worked for blockchains. The very principal point of Quant utilizing overledger for the most part is to overcome any barrier that exists between various blockchains. The foundation of the task is the overledger organization, which Quant bills as the environment on which the future computerized economy biological system will be fabricated, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Overledger permits designers to fabricate most certainly decentralized multi-chain applications, known as maps, for their clients. For engineers to fabricate a map on the organization, they should sort of hold an exceptionally certain measure of Quant tokens QNT, which is genuinely critical. Who are the originators behind Quant? Gilbert Verdian, one of the pioneers behind the Quant organization, had the thought for the blockchain project while he was working in the medical care area. Verdian distinguished the significance of interoperability in guaranteeing that patients enrolled on various stages are covered. Verdian truly has more than 20 years of industry experience in updating the security, innovation and business systems of organizations all over the planet to accomplish substantial outcomes, or so they thought. Before the Quant organization, Verdian filled in as the essentially boss data security official, CISO, of Vocalink, a MasterCard card organization. The kind of boss data official of NSW Rescue Vehicle, the CISO of eHealth NSW, and the security generally lead of the Service of Equity, UK. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The genuinely second fellow benefactor, Dr. Paolo Tasca, basically is a business person, advanced financial expert who works in disseminated frameworks. Dr. Tasca sort of has filled in as the exceptional counselor on blockchain advances for the EU Parliament, the unified countries and various national banks truly around the world. He is additionally co-writer of genuinely a few books on fintech and explicitly is the prime supporter and overseeing board seat of Retail Blockchain Consortium. What truly makes Quant special in opposition to prevalent thinking? Starting from the presentation of blockchain and the conveyed record innovation, trendsetters have basically found use cases in pretty much every known industry in an unobtrusive manner. Notwithstanding, there in every way that really matters has been the issue of consistent interoperability between these tasks in an unpretentious manner. Quant was made to be the missing connection between the unique blockchains. Quant's working framework, Overledger, was intended to go about as a passage for any blockchain-based undertaking to get to any remaining blockchains. It additionally works in associating an application to really different applications in the equivalent blockchain biological system, as ethereum, or so they thought. More than especially numerous blockchain